Welcome to the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Monday Morning Minute.
Good morning and welcome to this Monday Morning Minute. I'm Dr. Todd Shatkin and I'm here with Tom Fitzpatrick, our Vice President of Sales at Shatkin F.I.R.S.T. We are here at our 3-day advanced course here in Buffalo at our training center, and we are soon going to be in Disney World August 2nd and 3rd to see Mickey Mouse, right, Fitz?
We cannot wait to go. If you haven't been to Disney, you got to come down and check it out, okay? It's not only that we stay at the nice beach and yacht club, but we bring everyone into Epcot, don't we?
We do.
At the end of the course.
A lot of fun with the ice cream social and overlooking the firework display.
Preferential seating for the fireworks.
Absolutely. In France or whatever country we're going to be in. I don't know, England and France, right?
There's a lot of countries. A lot of countries in Epcot.
Well, let me tell you, Fitz, the other day I woke up in the middle of the night, which I do quite often with ideas. I don't know what it is. I think my dad talks to me in the middle of the night and says, hey, do this. So anyway, I'm thinking about Mickey Mouse and I'm thinking about Minnie Mouse. Well, I decided we're going to do a special. It's called a Mickey and Minnie special.
All right.
These are mini implants, right? All right, so all you have to do is buy 100 minis and you get to come see Mickey with us. So 100 mini implant purchase will get you to the course for free and 2-night stay at the Yacht and Beach Club. So you want to come see Mickey, all you got to do is get some minis.
So that's a $1,290. It's $1,295 for a dentist, right?
That's
so that's a $1,300 savings. And how much is it a room at the for a night?
I don't know what they pay.
It's good. I'll tell you what. It's a pretty good savings.
All of you watching the Monday Morning Minute, you got about 2 weeks to take advantage of this special offer, because on July 11th, the room rates close.
Yeah.
Our block of rooms goes away on July 11th, so you have until probably July 10th to take advantage of our Mickey and Minnie's special.
And be sure to call down to Disney and set up your room for sure before July 11th. That's very, very importante. Yeah, but if you haven't been down to Disney, you got to check it out, because we're gonna have great lecturers. And we're gonna, we have the ability to do some hands-on down there, and we will have,
and you can, the rooms are double occupancy, so I don't mind if you bring a guest with you, a spouse, or whoever you want to bring. The whole family. You bring the whole family, but I'm saying with the special offer, they can bring a second person with them.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's a great offer.
All right.
I think it'll be great.
All right, very good.
Let's get everybody down on
We'll
August 2nd.
see you next week on the Monday Morning Minute.
Have fun placing the mini and monos this week.